Place value drawings subtraction, day 9. Grab your whiteboard or your notebook and let's get to work. Hopefully, you are becoming more and more confident as you practice these problems. Honestly, they're not harder, they are just bigger. And they do take just a little bit more thinking. So we have 634. Again, when we start getting lots of hundreds, stack them up into columns and also don't draw them so big. So 634. Now let's look at what we are subtracting. We're going to subtract a 200, a 70, and a 3. Well, we can subtract a 200 from that, but we can't subtract 70 from that. We could subtract a 3, but honestly, when it gets like that, I just like to say, let's take it to the next 100 or to the big benchmark. So 273 is going to go to 300, and that's what we will subtract. So 100, 200, 300. Now we need to put back the partner because we subtracted too much. So who is 73's partner? Well, it's 27. Notice I do like to put a teeny up there so that you can check it for a 90-10. So 10, 20. And now I'm going to put a 7. Realize I already have a 4 there. So as I put a 7, it's going to make more than 10. But if you group them together nicely, it works. Or I could have put a 10 and subtracted a 3 because a 10 minus 3 is a 7. I chose this time just to put a 7. So I have 2 hundreds left, a 50, but I made a 10 there, so 61. Great job. All right, 653. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3. Let's look at what we're going to subtract. We can subtract a 300 and look at a 38. We can take that out of the 50. So I'm going to use that math thinking and that number sense and do it that way. So I'll take away a 300 by getting rid of 300, and then I'll take the 38 out of a 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and I'll put 2 back because I only needed a 40. So my answer is 315. Now here's what it would look like if you just subtracted. There's our 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3. So if I take away 338's next 100, I would take away 400, and I would need to put back 62 because 62 is 38's partner. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 62. Do you see that 100 you made there? That's because we had to put back so many, but 100, 200, 300, a 10, and a 5. So we got the same answer, but I honestly think the top answer shows a little more thinking, and it's also easier because we don't end up with so many 10s. But again, you can do what works for your math brain. All right, 700. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Obviously, I'm just going to take away the next 100, which is 500. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Who is 81's partner? Well, it's 19. So put a 10 and 9 ones. So 200, a 10, and a 9. 219. It's actually really easy, I hope you're noticing, to subtract when we're just subtracting from straight hundreds, because all you need to know is your partner. All right, 600. $22. When we start getting lots of hundreds, don't draw huge squares. Just draw small squares. All right, 361. I can take away a 300, but I can't take away a 60, but I could take away a 1, but at this point, I'm just going to take the whole thing out of 400. So I'll take away another 100. So 361's next 100 is 400. And I just need to put back the partner that I shouldn't have subtracted, which is 39. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice, again, I made an extra 10, so 61. The reason it made that extra 10 is because I could have just subtracted 1 from the start. So 61. 700. We're starting to draw lots of squares to see if big numbers make you afraid. So 713. I'm subtracting 236. I don't have a 36 over there, so I will just subtract the next 100, which is the 300. Now, I only needed 236 of it, so you need the partner, which is 64. So I'll put 64 back. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Whoops, I'm going to take away one of those so that I have a group of 50. So 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I was very careful to make sure that I had a 60 that I put back. So 77. Always make sure that I put back 64 and don't stop at 64. 842. Lots and lots of hundreds we're practicing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2. Okay, as I can take away a 500, but I can't take away a 67. So I'll just take away the next 100, which is 600. How much change do I need? Or what was 67's partner? 33. So 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 275. Great job. 804. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 4. Notice I need to take away a 671. Now, if you want to take away that 1 right now, go ahead and take away the 1. Then we just need to take away a 670 which means I'll take a 700 away and put back a 30, which is probably the easiest way, but make sure you don't take away the 1 twice. I took it away from the beginning. That's why I kind of put a mark through it to say it's gone. So my answer is, whoops, I did not take away 600. Now I've taken away 600. So my answer is 233. I stopped in the middle to talk about this one we took away and almost didn't take away enough hundreds. Great job, kids. 721. 721. We're going to take away a 530. So we don't have enough tens. So we'll just take away the next 100, which is 600. How does 530 get to 600? By putting 70 back. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So our answer is 191. And the last one, 663. Now, hopefully you're pausing the video and trying to work these out and talking about them and seeing how it works. Notice I can take away a 300 and I can take away a 28. Easier here than I can from 100. So I'm going to take away my 300 and then I'll take a 28 away from a 30 and put 2 back. So my answer is 335. Now again, we could have taken it away from the next 100. Let me show you real quickly. 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. We just end up with a lot of tens. So if I take away 400, 28's partner is 72. So do you see all those tens I have to put back? As long as you're organized and neat and realize that that's another 100, notice 100, 200, 300, 35. We got the exact same answer. And the reason that happened again is I had a 60 and I can take away a 20. So if I take away it from the tens, I think it's easier. Keep on practicing. We're almost done with 3-digit stuff.